Alright, this is where we left off yesterday. Got everything, all the plastic pulled up. This stuff's wired up. So we got these T connectors, 2 of them. There's a yellow one and a red one. So it splices right in. It goes to this box, which we mounted. Oh, there we go, that box. Grounded it. And then the green wire runs through the bumper to the other light over here. Then we took this red wire and crimped it into this black one. This is the runner that goes to the battery, and it runs along here with the other wires. Take out some of this weather stripping to get it in. It runs down here. It's not settled yet, but it runs along with the other wires through to the front. And that's about where we ended. I can fish it through here. Where we're having trouble is getting it through the firewall to the front. And then ultimately, I guess I'm not gonna pop the hood. Ultimately, it's gonna go to the positive terminal on the battery. We found some instructions last night after packing up for the night about the next steps and recommended ways to get it through the firewall to the battery. But just to test it, we were touching the wire to the positive terminal, and I had this car backed up to the boat trailer over there to be sure. We didn't put everything in just yet, but I wanted to test it before poking a hole through anything in the firewall there. So we're gonna give it another shot today. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Son of a gun. We're gonna make it. Oh yeah, baby, yeah, baby, it's what we've been waiting for. Whew. Jeez. All right, with everything put back together, it's convenient. Portion back here hides all the cords, cables, so I can just pull it out. And then what I do is I just run it through the back. Usually I put actually the trailer lights into the bed of the trunk.